In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone as a project administrator. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently give someone admin access to a specific project. This is especially useful when you're sharing project ownership with a team lead, a manager, or anyone who needs to manage settings, people, and configurations within that project. First, open your Jira site and navigate to the project where you want to add a new administrator. On your projects list or board view, click on the project name. This will take you into the main project area where you can see issues, the board, and other project-specific sections. Once you're inside the project, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots. This is where Jira hides additional project options that aren't shown in the main navigation. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Add People and click on it. This opens a panel or pop-up where you can invite users to this project and assign their roles. In the field provided, start typing the email address of the person you want to add. As you type, Jira may suggest existing users that match what you've entered. Make sure you select the correct person and double-check the spelling of the email to avoid inviting the wrong account or creating duplicates. Next, look for the section labeled Role. This is where you control what level of access the person will have in the project. Click on the current role value, which often defaults to something like Member. When you click on it, you'll see a list of available roles. From that list, select Administrator. Choosing this role gives the person higher level permissions, such as managing project settings, configuring workflows, and adding or removing other users. Because this is a powerful role, it's a good idea to grant it only to people you trust with managing the project. After you've confirmed the email and selected Administrator as the role, go ahead and click on the Add button. Jira will now add that person to the project with administrator permissions. They'll be able to access the project and start managing it according to their new role. And that's it.